What's up, family? Welcome to DDINS Xperience. Here we do simple food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the bottom right of the screen and hit all. And if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the section below. And without further ado, let's get to the video.
What's up, family? So for this stuffed peppers recipe, you're going to need peppers, of course. I'm using multicolor today. You're going to need white or brown rice, 2 to 3 pounds of beef, onions. I'm using baby bella mushrooms, minced garlic, Kobe cheese, spaghetti or tomato sauce, salt, black pepper, onion, and garlic powder. And you want to season that to taste. And without further ado, let's get to creating this, family. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, you guys, is cut the crown off of our pepper. We're going to save the crown. We're going to cut them up later and add it into our rice mixture. And then you're going to cut the wedges off and pop out the core, and you will have a bowl like this. All right, let's go ahead and do that again. We're going to go ahead and cut the crown off. And see those wedges in there? We're going to cut those off, and it should pop right off. Just like so. Easy. Give me a like. All right, you guys. Now we're gonna go ahead and add 3 pounds of ground beef, and we're gonna brown this real nice. Just like so. And just keep in mind, depending on how lean your beef is, you may have to drain it. Now we're gonna add in our baby bella mushrooms and our diced onions. I'm going to mix this in nice. This is a very easy recipe, you guys. All right, and we're going to add 1 tablespoon of Himalayan pink salt. You can add whatever salt you like. 2 teaspoons of our minced garlic. Black pepper. Our onion powder. And last but not least, our garlic powder. And we do want to season that to taste. And also keep in mind that garlic and onion help clean the impurities in your food and also help clean the bloodstream. Quick tip. All right, and we're going to mix this in, you guys. Now we're going to add in our spaghetti sauce or tomato sauce, whichever is your flavor. And we're going to add about a half a cup of shredded cheese. And we're going to stir this in, you guys. Next, we're going to take our stainless steel bowl and we're going to add our perfectly cooked rice. I do have a video out there, so if you want to know how to make perfect rice, please click the link in the description below. All right, and we're going to take our diced bell peppers, and we're going to add this in as well. And we're going to add our tomato or spaghetti sauce to this mixture. And we're going to give this a nice mix. And there's many ways you can make this recipe, you guys. This is one of the ways I like to make it. This will not be the first time you ever see me make this either. Okay. Quick facts. Where did stuffed peppers originate? Stuffed peppers, or pimientos rellenos, are part of a traditional Spanish cuisine, especially that of the origin of Basque country. Usually, piquillo peppers are used. The fillings vary from manchego cheese to chicken or cod in red sauce, chicken likely being the most popular recipe. Pretty cool. That was pretty cool. All right, now what we're going to do is take our rice mixture and we're going to add them to the sides. Or we're going to scoot them to the sides you see here. And this is what I call is building my baking dish. Yes, build it as you go. And this is the fun part, you guys. watching your work come to life. So colorful and beautiful as well. All right, and we're almost about done here. All right, now we're going to go ahead and add in our filling. Now, there are other recipes where you add the rice with the meat and put it inside the bell pepper. But the fact that I put the rice on the outside, that's why I got the filling just with the meat. Like I said, there's many ways you can make this dish. Get creative with it, you guys. Yes. Okay. Now we're going to take our Colby cheese and we're going to add it to the top. Okay. Now at this moment, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees and we're going to let this cook to 20 to 30 minutes depending on your oven. And this is what we're looking for. Greatness. You guys did this. That looks beautiful. Yes. Okay, let's go ahead and try it out. This will be my piece essentially. Eating the wonders of the world. Okay, let's check this out. Ow! Now that was nice, you guys. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right. And hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 500 Deans and to our next food adventure. Peace.